Hi guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get more updates.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to a brand new day. Today, we'll be featuring a two-story, modern, sophisticated, brand new house here in the northern part of Cebu City. Once again, I am Christine Emily Pantaleon, your real estate broker. Come on and join me as we go through this brand new house. As you enter this house, you can see on my right side and on my left side this pocket garden, or what we call the front yard. It is where you can put your flowers or plants that you love to put. And going here is also another pocket garden, or you can put ornamental plants here and or make this as a service area. This side would be the garage area.
This garage can accommodate 3 cars, which would be parked one after the other.
This is very spacious, and this area also leads to the service area and the maid's quarter. This is the water tank for the rainwater. And on my left side is the maid's quarter with own toilet and bathroom. Come on. So this is the maid's quarter, and this is its own toilet and bathroom. Sink. Straight from the car garage is the kitchen. Whenever you have heavy things to carry on with you after going to the market, you can immediately go inside this door, which leads to the kitchen. This can be for your tools, or this can be your stock room. So let's go inside the house now. Upon entering, you can see the wide, spacious, ventilated, and well-lit living area, this one, with a two sliding doors, which leads to your pocket garden outside. As you can see, this is the living area, and this is where the TV or any appliances will be put. And this will be for the powder room. It has a sink and a water closet. So this will be your kitchen. This is a modernly designed kitchen. And this will be for the provision of the cooktop and the range hood. And this one is for the fridge. very well organized cabinet. Wow! And it already has a provision for the window type aircon. Let's go to bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2 can accommodate a double-sized bed, and it already has a provision for the window type aircon. And it has also its cabinet.
Never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard, or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done, cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.